Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is Legit's channel. I just want to show people recipes, simple. Try to teach them everything about like flavors, seasonings, how to do stuff, how to get them to the right temperature. And just show the passion and everything that I've been doing in my life in the cooking industry. I've been doing this for over 15 years. And now a lot of people told me you should do videos. So I'm hoping that this will work out good for me. Like I said, it's my first time doing this. So let's go ahead and have fun together and let's enjoy this experience, and yeah, let's go from there. Hope you guys love the channel. And all right, so you're gonna wanna squeeze one line on it so it can get tender. As you cooking it, it won't dry it out. It's a little secret, but you gotta let it marinate first. Then, so that's one line. We're gonna do 1 cup of any type of orange juice. This is just to give it a citrus flavor to it. It's like South Mexico recipe. Just, let it all, it's all about adding marinade to it right now. Then we're gonna add some sazon, any type that you like. I'm not gonna show the name because I ain't trying to get in trouble. We're gonna add 2 packets just so it could give it that orange color, give it that nice sexiness. You know what I mean? Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1/4 of dry oregano, because it's kind of powerful because it's dry. Just mix it all in there. If you got a little bit of extra, why not throw it in there? Why waste it? You know what I mean? And then we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. Once again, I ain't gonna show the name. So let's get that in here. Put that all in there. Like that. We're gonna do onion powder. Same. There we go. Yeah, a little extra fell, but a little extra don't hurt nobody. I'm just trying to give you an exact recipe. Okay. Then we got chili powder. Dark if you have. So it can give it a nice little color as well. It's my first video. I've never done this before, so bear with me as I keep on going. I will get better. And then we're gonna do 1/4 black pepper. I already know how much it looks like, so. And then 1/4 of cumin. And then if you got a little bit of beer or tequila or something, go ahead, throw a splash on it. Alrighty. So now, what I'm gonna do, get everything right here on the side, and I'm gonna start mixing it until it's fully coated. I'm gonna get in there. See? Then you're gonna wanna let it marinate for like an hour. But if you marinate it overnight, even better. But I just got called for a party, so I don't have overnight to do this. All right, make sure it's submerged. Oops. And there we go. I'll be back. All right, so after you wash your vegetables, you need colored vegetables. Get a green one, orange, red. And then you're gonna wash them off, rinse them off. And then you're gonna cut it by the ends, like that, in the corners. side. Like that. Like I said, I'm just giving you guys the basics. You know, you can add a little bit of more of whatever you like for instance, if you like it spicy, you can add cayenne pepper, or you can add jalapenos to this, striped and julienne, and then yeah. So you're just gonna grab it. Always cut it on this side, because if you do it on this side and if your knife is not sharp, it can go on an angle and then cut your fingers. And we don't want blood in our food, do we? Just go like that. Okay, just cut them into strips. Like that, but strips. Easy peasy. Like that. And you don't want to try to cut them all in the same size so that they all cook evenly. So, yeah, so like that. And I like to have them all cut already so that I can just start julienning them. Such. Okay, so once I get all these done, I'll show you how to do the onions next, and we'll go from there. All right. So now that we got our peppers all chopped up, and we're gonna do the onion next. You see this part? You're gonna go that side so it can hold up to it as you cut it. The reason why you do it that way, this way is so that this all holds in one piece as you're chopping it up, and it's easy to peel. See? Easy peasy. And there you go. And you just cut off this tip right here. Cut it off right here. And then you can either go half moons, these are half moons, or you can do it lengthwise. I like doing lengthwise when it's two fajitas because it's long and thin. There you go. Then once it gets to right here, tilt it. And there you go, see? Easy peasy. I like to do one onion for this recipe because, you know, a lot of people don't like onion taste. And I'm not trying to cry. Ooh-wee, I'm starting to cry. So, okay. There you go. I'm crying right now. I'll be back. So now, after you got everything all mixed up together, well, not mixed up, but, you know, we're gonna put it on the pan. You're gonna put some olive oil. Then you're gonna put a little bit of black pepper, just gradually. Okay, and then just a pinch, like this much. Just go like that, spread it around. Like that, boom, boom. And then just toss it lightly. And as it's evenly coated, we're gonna saute this. But we're not gonna put the whole thing, depending on how big your pan is. We're not gonna put the whole thing because then it's just gonna sweat and it's not gonna have crisp to it. It's just gonna be soggy. It's gonna look like not good. I don't know if I'm allowed to swear, or what am I not supposed to do, or what I'm supposed to do. But yeah, other than that, everything is prepped. I'm just waiting for the chicken to marinate. Let all that juice and the orange juice and the lime juice get into the chicken, plump it up, and then we'll go from there. Nice little crust on it. That's when it's done. You're gonna want to try to mix it into that juice to try to incorporate it. And then now we're gonna do the peppers, and I'm gonna show you how to do that next with the chicken juice and everything, so you have the flavors of the chicken on the veggies. And you know, you don't have to do that in case you have veggie friends. Who has that type of people? I don't know. Just play. So now, what you want to do is you want to take all this stuff in the bottom. That's still with some drippings. That's got a lot of flavor. You want to just saute it into that oil. And then bring your vegetables that you chopped up earlier and start coating them in. Remember, don't overcrowd because you don't want to create steam. Just, you know, gradually do it, you know. You just want to stir it in there. We already seasoned it with salt, pepper, and oil, so you don't want to add no more salt. Everything will be all salty and shit. You don't want that. So I'm gonna show you at the end how it's supposed to look. All right, so this is how you want it to look. A little tender, but not soggy. You know, cooked, but not all the way. You feel me? And here you go. That's how you have it. Got chicken fajita platter. Remember, I was doing this for a party. I can set it up better when it's just for one person on the plate and everything. But like I said, this is just a test video. Just trying to see how far I can get with it. But yeah, we got the marinated chicken, the fajita vegetables, the onions, peppers, garlic, green peppers, and then, you know, just stack it up. There you go. All right, here we go. All right, so that was my first video. That was chicken fajitas. That was just for a party I did for 8 people. I had a birthday party, so I just wanted to show y'all that even though there's big orders, you can do it. It's easy. And as long as you follow the steps, you can get through with it, and your family might even love you more. Now, I'm just playing. But let's go ahead and continue these videos. If you did like this video, like I said, it's my first time doing this. Please like, share, and leave a comment down below. Peace.